Alright, so Chloe got that Student of the Month this time around. A lot of people voted for her because she really does shine in doing her classes. She put a lot of effort on that last tip when she's going for her self-defense. She tried several times, didn't you? You tried it a lot of times, and she never gave up. And I made it hard for her. I had to grab her. She had to get out with all her wrist locks and the wrist escapes. And I was holding on for dear life. And she, in the end, got out for all of them. And that was the amazing amount of discipline she had to get that was amazing.
If I got hurt, I would cry. And now I don't really.
I feel definitely, I've always seen that she enjoys coming to karate because she likes kicking stuff. She likes burning the energy and punching the bags and everything like that. She has become more resilient. She has become a bit tougher when she gets hit or when something goes against her. She does stay on for more. She does stay stronger and she does keep kicking on, really.
Awesome.
Yeah.